All right, if you're officially tired of hearing tech bros promise that you can make $1 million literally overnight with AI, well, you're in the exact right place. We're going to cut straight through all that hype today. We're looking at how beginners are actually monetizing AI right now. Welcome to This Explainer. We're going strictly into the mechanics of the future of profit to walk you through the 5 best, completely realistic AI side hustles for beginners heading into 2026. Let's get into it. So here's our agenda for today. We're covering 5 key areas: the AI profit landscape, content and YouTube automation, freelancing and affiliate marketing, mastering essential AI skills, and finally, the consistency reality check. Kicking things off with Section 1, the AI profit landscape, or as I like to call it, opening the 2026 toolbox. Moving right along to Section 2, content and YouTube automation. This is basically your media creation engine.
Listen, every single business out there today is an absolute content monster, right? They constantly need fresh blogs, social media posts, new scripts, website updates, just to stay relevant. And AI? It helps feed that monster incredibly fast. By stepping in and offering rapid content generation services to these businesses, you effectively turn the time AI saves you directly into steady, reliable income. You basically become the high-speed engine fueling their daily media presence. It's a real game changer.
Now, that exact same media engine is what makes YouTube automation so unbelievably lucrative. Get this, you can build a highly profitable channel without ever showing your face. You use AI to handle all the heavy lifting for the inputs. I mean, writing the scripts, generating voiceovers, creating subtitles, even handling the editing. And once you get that automated pipeline flowing smoothly, wow, you unlock multiple stacking revenue streams. We're talking traditional ad revenue, affiliate commissions, brand sponsorships, and even sales from your own digital products. It is a complete, scalable system. But here is a completely crucial truth you have to keep in mind. Consistency matters way more than expensive equipment. It's so easy to get bogged down, thinking you need a $3,000 camera or a fancy professional studio setup before you can even start producing media. Actually, scratch that. The data unequivocally shows that pumping out reliable daily content using AI tools easily beats an expensive, sporadic studio setup every single time. The game is won by just showing up repeatedly, not by outspending the competition. Okay, Section 3, freelancing and affiliate marketing. This is all about scaling client and sales services. Think of freelance AI work as this really cool speed versus scale dynamic. Because AI tools help you generate everyday assets, things like thumbnails, resumes, presentations, basic designs, in just a fraction of the traditional time, you naturally free up the bandwidth to take on significantly more clients. Faster work equals a much higher volume of output, so it effectively allows you to buy back your own time while seriously increasing your earning potential. Make sense? You can also pivot those rapid content generation skills into a 24/7 sales machine through the affiliate marketing loop. It works like this. Using AI, you create genuinely helpful tutorials, reviews, or comparison content. Then, within that content, you seamlessly embed affiliate links for the products you're recommending. Ultimately, you earn commissions when viewers purchase through your links. It's a simple but incredibly effective formula. You provide value first, and then you monetize the resulting trust.
Which brings us to Section 4, Master Essential AI Skills. This is your foundational upskilling.
Now, I gotta be honest, none of these side hustles work without the foundational skills. The real secret sauce for 2026 lies in mastering automation, prompt writing, coding, data analysis, and general AI tool navigation. Companies are paying an absolute premium right now for people who actually know how to steer the ship. To be truly indispensable over the next few years, you can't just passively use the AI, You have to master the underlying mechanics of how it's guided. And finally, Section 5, the consistency reality check. Let's talk about grounding your expectations.
We really need to ground our expectations here with this incredibly important truth from the source material. It says, AI isn't a shortcut to instant money, but combining useful skills with consistency can create real opportunities. Listen, artificial intelligence is not magic. There is no get-rich-quick button you can just press. The technology is simply a tool, and your long-term success, it relies entirely on combining these new capabilities with relentless, boring consistency.
So the blueprint is right in front of you, but the engine requires your daily effort. Are you ready to combine your skills with consistency? I really want you to ponder that provocative question as you map out your own 2026 side hustle. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Make sure to subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and online earning ideas. And I absolutely cannot wait to dive into our next topic together.